Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to those who are new to my channel. As you guys will see in this video, we will probably be around October time when this video goes up. I'm behind with everything, but I still want to share it. I still want to share the club kits. This is the Spellbinders club kit that I get every month. Once I'm back on track, things will go back to normal. You can define normal, but so this is actually for, let's have a good old look here because I can't even remember. This is actually for August 24. So apologies in advance. So for the glimmer, let's grab the glimmer. You get, or at least I got, because sometimes the colours vary, the mini rainbow stripe foil. And you need to use these hot foils. For those who don't know, these have to be used with a like a hot foil machine, and so it has to be set with heat, as opposed to like toner. I think toner ones you can run through a laminator, which is also heat, but it's a different kind of adhesive on the back of it, I think. So and with that we got four glimmer plates. So this main big splash almost, or swoosh, is the glimmer plate, and then also 3 sentiments, which I can't read because, you know, getting older. But this is what this will create, this splashy thing. And this one they've done as an example, they've done it with the rainbow hot foil, and then one of the sentiments is there. Let me see if I can read this. Make a splash on your birthday. You make life colourful. You are perfectly imperfect. So, sorry, that was a bit close to the screen, but I couldn't see it. So that's the glimmer of the month, and like I say, that's the little example they give you of what to do with it. Then we have the small die of the month, which is called Colourful Expression Sentiments. And there's literally just a whole bunch of sentiments in here that can help you create, this video is going well, can help you create this type of card. These splotches in the background are actually, I believe, the better press of the month for August. So that's what those are. But basically you have the die, and then you also have a shadow, which I love. I love it. So you have like the solid outline, and then you have the word. So there's words like, now let me read down here. There's thinking of you, wish big, hello friend, thanks babe, have a colourful day, love, miss, hugs, wonderful, enclosed, and then the shadows are all those words as well. So loads and loads of sentiments. That's always handy. They're a nice size as well, so you could either cover the front of the card with a whole bunch of them to make the card focus your sentiments, or you could just use 1 or 2. So I think that's really cool. And then this is the large die of the month, again for August 24, even though this will be up whenever it's up. This one's called Colourful Expressions Blooms. So this is the sort of thing you can then create with that, and I think that's really nice on the dark background. And there's some of the words from the sentiment set here. So let's just have a quick look. So basically they're like very large blooms, big florals, so very nice if that's your jam. But don't forget you can mix and match. So yeah, so that's the August 24, even though we're in Halloween territory. But that's the August 24 Spellbinders Glimmer and Cut Club, which they don't have it separate like that anymore, but that's basically the small, the large die of the month, and the glimmer of the month. That's what that includes, and they still have all 3 of those that you can choose from, plus a lot of other ones as well. So hope that was kind of fun. And I will get some ideas out as soon as I can, as soon as I can find my feet. So until next time guys, bye for now.